Hello there, welcome to our channel. So Huawei's next foldable phone, the P50 Pocket, will launch on December 23rd. It's a clamshell folding phone that looks a lot like Huawei P50. And why not? It's a P50 but foldable and with an aesthetic that's eye-catching. It sports embossed pattern work with a gold finish unlike flat shades or metallic hues. Sadly, this foldable will be exclusively available to Huawei's Chinese demographic. In any case, it wouldn't be successful outside of China because of the US trade ban. Anyways, a fresh report by MyDrivers has revealed the key specifications of the P50 Pocket. As per the report, the Huawei P50 Pocket will feature a 6.8-inch foldable display, which is slightly larger than the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Furthermore, Rodent 950 claims that the P50 Pocket has a drop hinge structure. It simply means it will mirror the Oppo Find N that's been praised a lot for its near crease-free display and no gap in between the display while being closed. The outer display in P50 Pocket, however, is slightly disappointing at 1 inch in diameter. That's smaller than most smartwatches. Below that is the rear camera setup with 3 cameras. The Huawei P50 Pocket will get a Sony IMX766 50MP primary lens coupled with a 13MP ultra-wide lens and an 8MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. When open, the camera bump and miniature screen looks a lot like the two black camera bumps seen on the original P50, creating a bridge between the P50 and the P50 Pocket's design language. What this foldable has successfully achieved is a way to accommodate a large battery. It will be backed by a 4100 mAh cell. For comparison, the Z Flip 3 has only 3300. As for charging speed, it will be 66W fast charging. The device will be powered by the Kirin 9000 chipset, which will lack support for 5G connectivity. This could be a problem considering what it's gonna cost. By the way, we don't know the exact pricing right now, but it's said to be around $999. So with that, we are at the end of this video. Hope to catch you in the next one. Peace out.